Polycystic ovarian syndrome or PCOS is one of the most common hormonal conditions in women. According to the World Health Organization, it affects nearly 6 to 13% of the women of reproductive age group. We start seeing symptoms as early as 13 to 14 years of age. Remember, around 70% of the people don't know that they have PCOS because many times it goes undiagnosed. PCOS can show up as irregular periods, acne, a lot of unwanted hair growth, and even weight problems. Early diagnosis is very important, and simple lifestyle changes and taking timely treatment from your doctor can prevent long-term issues like diabetes. Yes, you heard it right. Having PCOS can increase your risk of diabetes. So do visit your dermatologist, your gynecologist, or an endocrinologist to take care and diagnose this condition.